Come on, and welcome back to another Union Hardware DIY series. Today we've got Lynette and
Taffy,
and today we're going to be showing you how to transform your space with some beautiful interior Dulux paints.
Thank you, Lynette. First things first, prep work. No one likes to talk about it, but it makes all the difference. So if you're looking for a fresh plaster that you want to paint, your Dulux EcoSure Plaster Primer is your go-to product. It seals and it protects, giving your surface a good, even finish and also creating adhesion for whichever top coat you want to put. So either Rhinoset or cement plaster.
Exactly, but that's why we're here, to make sure it's fun and exciting for you. So with Dulux, it's not all about the color, it's about transforming your space.
I love that. Okay, now onto the fun part of which product to use. It's a busy home, you've got kids, pets, life is just happening. You're going to love the Dulux Easy Care. It's 20 times tougher, more than your standard paint, and spills, stains, no stress. We've got you covered.
Just think about it of when you're building. You need a strong foundation. Get it right and then the rest goes on perfectly.
So true, Lynette. But if you're also after something classic, your normal, smooth, matte finish, Dulux Acrylic PVA is your go-to. It's a great all-rounder and also works for your ceilings.
It's also got a gorgeous ultra-matte finish, so you've got durability and style. It's a win-win.
Tell me about it.
Okay, let's talk about the showstopper Taffy, Dulux Luxurious Silk. And as it sounds, it's rich, smooth, and it's got that ultra mid-shimp finish. Look at that, it glides on so effortlessly, which is the best part. So everyday stains and marks, you just take a damp cloth and wipe it away, you're good to go.
Yep, whether it's everyday scuffs, little fingerprints, or just a splash of coffee, easy to wipe away.
So no need for any heavy scrubbing or harsh detergents, you just need a damp cloth and you're good to go.
And for that timeless and durable finish, eggshell enamel is a dream. Or if you're looking for a water-based alternative, our PearlGlo is the go-to brand. It's tough, it's wipeable, and works beautifully on trims and doors and even on furniture.
Let's not forget those tricky areas, our bathrooms and kitchens. We've got Dulux Bathroom Class, which is mold-free, resistant to moisture and mildew. So everything, they have it here.
So what's stopping you? Pick your color, grab a brush, let's get painting.
Bottom line is, whatever space you have, Dulux has you covered. The results, absolutely stunning and amazing for us DIYers. Dulux, let's color. With Union Hardware, let's build together. Come in store, get loyalty cards, get contractor cards, get mega discounts, get freebies. We've got it all.